Right, today we're talking about the Transit Custom. If you have a Transit Custom, you'll probably notice that that's a week and it's been dry, and you see all the mud up the side, because the little mud flaps that you get as standard are tiny and pretty much don't do much at all. So I bought some rally flaps a couple of years ago, but I could only fit the fronts because my van, like a lot of other Ford Transit Customs, doesn't have any wheel arch liners because, well, Ford cheaps out. So I had to do a bit of hokey cokey to get the front ones to fit, but I couldn't easily get the back ones to fit without making special brackets. I've since discovered that rally flaps actually make brackets now for vans that don't have the rear the wheel arch liners, so I'm gonna have a go at fitting those, and I'm also replacing the metal bracket on my front one. Ripped off the other day when I was reversing up a curb, so I bought a new bracket and I fit my old front flap back on as well. So we'll see how we get on. As I mentioned earlier, I ripped my flap off the other day when I was reversing up a curb. That's what's left of the bracket, so I need to remove that and try and sort that out a little bit. It's obviously been pulled, so I'll get back to you shortly, and that's the new bracket that's going on to replace the spin with the original screw. Right, you shouldn't have to do that, but because yours should still be in there. Right, then pop the original screw and washer through there. And then it's going back to me now. I did have to manipulate this last time to get it to line up. And these little poppers pop into the holes in the bracket that you've just fitted, and there's a bolt, a washer, another washer and a nut. They go through the flap, through the bracket and through the existing bracket, and then you pop a washer and nut on the back. It's a massive long bolt. I'm not sure why it's so long, but anyway, it's the one that came with the kit, so it's the one that's going on. These little things should have come in the kit. They're a two-piece, pop one piece through, and then you push the little pin in which spreads the legs. And one new one. that's it. I had fitting instructions for the original ones, which are obviously completely different to these, and I couldn't find fitting instructions for the new ones on the website, so it's a bit of a guess out. That's the old flap that's come off. The stuff that I was spraying is underbody seal. It's just sealing where I've been drilling, because obviously I don't want it rusting. I'm using a 6mm drill bit. Need to drill out these rivets. And then there's one in there. A 6mm bit again. don't know, the jack is stored. If you open up the driver's door in the UK models, there's a little panel that goes on there. Pop that out, and the jack and wheel spanner live in there. The wheel spanner's a bit of an odd one. I've got to poke it in.